Want a summer garden overflowing with fresh veggies? You might think it's too late or too early to start planting, but actually right now is the perfect time to get certain crops in the ground. Some plants thrive when planted at this exact moment, growing faster and producing more food with less effort. In today's video, I'll reveal the top 5 vegetables and herbs you should plant immediately for a huge summer harvest. Plus, stick around until the end for a pro tip that will supercharge your plant growth. Let's dive in. Plant number 1, green beans. Green beans are one of the easiest vegetables to grow, and they keep producing all summer long. They grow quickly and don't need much space, making them perfect for small gardens or containers. To grow green beans, plant the seeds directly in warm soil, choose a sunny spot, and water them regularly. You can grow them as bush beans or use a trellis for climbing beans. For the best harvest, pick the beans when they are firm, but not too thick. This will encourage the plant to keep producing more beans. Plant number 2, summer squash, zucchini, and yellow squash. Zucchini and yellow squash grow fast and produce a lot of vegetables in a short time. If you plant them now, you'll have a continuous harvest all summer long. To grow summer squash, plant them in well-draining soil, give them plenty of sunlight, and water deeply once a week. These plants need space to spread, so plant them about 2 feet apart. For the best taste, harvest your squash when they are about 6 to 8 inches long. Picking them regularly will encourage more growth. Plant number 3, basil. Basil is one of the best herbs to grow in summer. It thrives in warm weather and is perfect for adding fresh flavor to your meals. Plus, it's super easy to grow. Plant basil in a sunny spot and water it regularly. Make sure to trim the leaves often to encourage more growth. The more you harvest, the bushier it will get. Always pinch off the flowers when they start to appear. This keeps the plant focused on producing fresh, flavorful leaves. Plant number 4, cucumbers. Cucumbers are another fast-growing summer vegetable that will give you a steady supply of fresh produce. They're great for salads, sandwiches, and even pickling. To grow cucumbers, choose a sunny location and use a trellis to help them grow vertically. This saves space and keeps the cucumbers clean. Water them regularly to prevent bitterness. Harvest your cucumbers when they are about 6 inches long. If they get too big, they can become tough and bitter, so pick them early for the best taste. Plant number 5, carrots. Carrots are an easy-to-grow root vegetable that adds crunch and sweetness to your summer meals. They don't take up much space and can even be grown in deep containers. For the best results, plant carrot seeds in loose, sandy soil and water them gently. Keep the soil moist, but not too wet. Thin out the seedlings so they have enough room to grow. Harvest your carrots when they reach about 6 inches in length and have a bright, vibrant color. Freshly picked carrots taste much sweeter than store-bought ones. Which of these plants will you grow in your garden? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips. See you in the next video.